it's me again, Sam. Hope you all have an awesome day. And welcome once again to our food and dessert hacks episode. And today, guys, we will make a DIY mango ice cream. Yes, you heard it right. We will make a mango ice cream at home using all the ingredients here in front of me. And the reason behind why I came up with this idea of making a mango ice cream, because I have a lot of leftover mango from the holidays. As you can see in my previous video, I've made several desserts for holiday season. This is a leftover from holiday, guys. I don't want to put it into waste because I paid for it. I don't want to throw it away. So I kind of thinking, what would be the best, what would be the perfect idea for me to use this leftover mango. Therefore, I came up with making the DIY mango ice cream. So as you can see, it's frozen. So let's open it. Ouch. Okay, so it's a frozen sliced mango. Yeah, this is our major ingredients, the frozen sliced mango. We will have to blend it, and then same the small can of condensed milk, 160 ml, and a total of 375 ml of all-purpose cream. These are the three ingredients that we will be using on making our DIY mango ice cream. So let's begin, guys. Alright, first we will blend this. So this is my blender. So we will blend the frozen mango. So it's impossible to fit it in there. We have to... ouch, ouch. Kindly fit in. Kindly fit in, my goodness. Pwede na siya idoon. Voila! So, let's put the cover. There. Let's make it tight. Like super tight. And install it here. Push and turn. So let's blend this one. Voila! So this is our blended mango. It's ready. So let's put it behind. And now we will mix the all-purpose cream and the condensed milk. Alright, so if you saw my previous video, guys, I've always said this, that it's best if our all-purpose cream is slightly frozen, so that it would be so easy for us to mix to get the perfect texture. Right here, 168 ml condensed milk. Let's mix it here. With everything. It's a small candle. And now let us go ahead and put our blended mango together with our mixed condensed milk and all-purpose cream. Oh, super thick though. Let's do this. Let's put every single drop of it. Alright everyone, so we successfully mixed our ice cream, the all-purpose cream, and the condensed milk. So if you do have an available empty ice cream container at home, that would be perfect. We will reuse that. Of course, saving Mother Earth, reuse and recycle plastic container. And this would be perfect as well. This is one way to trick the kids. They might think that we really bought ice cream from the store. So yeah, let's go ahead and transfer it. Oh. Alright, so now we successfully transferred our ice cream into an empty ice cream container. So here, so you can see, I'll show you. So there we successfully transferred, but we're not done yet. We will go ahead and put this sliced mango or sliced fresh mango on top or all over our ice cream. So as you can see, it's pre-cut. We'll just put it all over so that later when it's frozen, then we have last one slice as well. Alright, so this is our finished product, guys. Oh, look how pretty it is after I put fresh mango on top of our ice cream. Alright everyone, so we successfully made our ice cream. We will just have to put it inside fresh for at least 7 to 8 hours, and we'll get back to it later. We will taste it if how it goes. Cha-dang! So alright, I will go ahead and put it inside fridge and we'll get back to it later. There. Super good, guys. Really, really good. Oh my gosh. We can't find this in store, guys. Better to make our own. flavorful, soft, perfect texture. Oh my god. Mango ice cream, you're the best. See? From leftover mango, we turn it into very delicious mango ice cream. Ta-da! Finished! And that was really good, guys. It's in really good. Promise, it's very delicious, super soft, perfect. From leftover mango, we turn it into a very delicious mango ice cream. We just have to be very resourceful to come up with the best idea like this. Alright, thank you so much for watching. That's it for today, guys. Hope you learned a thing or two. Like and subscribe if you could. Once again, this has been Samu. See you on my next vlog.